Hey guys, I want to hop on here real quick. Just talk to you about uh, being a resource for sellers. Sometimes you may not be able to help sellers in all situations. A guy called me a couple of weeks back about a couple of mobile homes that he wanted to give away. He wanted to give them for free. And I came and looked at them. I have a couple of pictures of them that I'll show you. Uh, it just didn't cross my mind to film it. And I was coming out here to film it today, what I had saw. But I was just a resource telling him that I couldn't help him out in this situation because the homes were so damaged and they were so old. And that's what I always warn you guys against, not to put yourselves in situations where you're going to be stuck with the seller's problems. So what happened was this seller had these mobile homes and they were in this spot. You see, he destroyed them. He got rid of them, and basically that's what I told him to do. He had two mobile homes on this lot. And like I said, they were destroyed, guys. So this is what I want to tell you. You have to be a resource for sellers. You have to tell them the truth. Don't tackle any problems that they can't handle. I talk a lot about this. We talk a lot about this in our book, that people will want to give you mobile homes for free. But what you'll find out is that you can't do anything with these homes. And that's what this seller was trying to do. He wanted us to remove his headache, and he didn't want to come out of pocket to get these things removed. But I told him when I reached back out to him after looking at the homes that the frames are damaged, these homes are old, no one is going to accept these older homes in their parks. So only way that I would consider investing in these homes or tackling on these issues is if they can stay on the lot. That's what you want to remember, guys. Only deal with older homes if they can stay on the lot, or you're dealing with a park that will work with you, that will let you bring in these older homes. But this is what the guy did. He tore these homes down. He had two of them on the lot, and like I said, the frames were cracked. And that's the important thing that you have to do is an inspection. Do a thorough inspection of these homes, because you don't want to buy a home, it's cracked, and once you purchase it, now you can't do anything with the home. So that's what you have to consider, guys. Don't get yourselves in trouble. Do a thorough inspection, or you'll be like this guy and have to demolish these homes, and I don't want that for you. So I just want to shoot this quick video to help you guys out. All right, thank you.